ready-to-wear sizing is not your friend and you are looking for a method to create sewing patterns which will better reflect your own body, well, I've got you covered. Hello, my name is Christina and for several years now I've been running the website dressdeveloper.com. And on this website you will find a bunch of free sewing patterns. And the best of it is that you can feed these sewing patterns with your own measurements. So you can create a sewing pattern which will effectively fit your body. And this is actually very simple, so let me walk you through this. Our project will be a little skirt, which is very easy to try out because you only need 3 measurements. So these 3 measurements are the waist scope, the hip scope, and the hip depth. And this is actually the distance from the 2 points where you have measured the first 2 measurements. So take these measurements, note them down. We are working in centimeters here. I have not yet figured out how to incorporate inches. Might come somewhere in the future, but for now centimeters. And when you have these measurements, you just need to go to dressdeveloper.com and on the page measure set. And there you can select the skirt measure set and enter the 3 measurements you just took. And then you can download your measure set. It's a zip file which contains a little text file in a format which can be read by a computer. And this, you can unzip this, but you don't need to actually. And this little file is your measure set. This just is your measurements. And we can upload these now. So we need a skirt pattern for this. I will link the one I am using as an example below in the description box. And when we create this pattern, we can select between ready-to-wear sizing, or we can upload the measure set which we just created, which is what we want to do in this example. Then you can also decide on the length of your skirt. You can add seam allowance if you want to, or you can change the paper size. And then you can download your pattern already. So you get 3 links. The first link is your pattern for printing. So the PDF is splitted up in several pages depending on your paper format you just decided on, and you can download and print it on your home printer or create it in a bigger size and then print it through a plotting service. The second file contains a cover with additional informations. And the third link contains all the pattern pieces as SVG. And these files can be uploaded in my layout tool, where you can create your own cutting layout to determine the amount of fabric you need. And you can also download a projector file. So projector sewing is my next big thing. You can use a projector and project the pattern right onto your fabric and cut from there. Very nice. And that's actually already it. You have created your own pattern with your own body measurements. Congratulations! So I'm usually doing sew-alongs for all my new patterns, and you will find these on my channel. There's already a video available for the skirt, which I'm talking about all the time. And I hope this will be of help for you, and I wish you happy sewing!